What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Rockingwitha.p channel. Guess what I got today? Ooh, let me show y'all. I got my RLS exhaust. It finally came, y'all. I'm excited. I'm gonna put it on myself. I heard it's not that hard, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Alright, so I heard that you gotta take these two springs on here off. I don't know if you can see them. And I got my toolbox right here. And I got this to try to pull the spring off. So I heard you want to take the springs off and then you want to unscrew it. So let's get started. I had to get the black one, y'all. Yeah. Yep. Alright, y'all. So I'm finally under here. Alright. These are springs that I was talking about. Hopefully it's not that hard. Let's see. Alright, y'all. I got the first one off. Woo! Try to get the other one off. Alright, y'all. I got it off. So now, I gotta unscrew this right here. And put this up here. So I won't scratch anything. Alright, so I got my toolbox. I gotta see which bolt fit on there. I'm not sure which one. Seems like that one fits. So we're gonna try that one. It's a 5x8. I almost got it off. But guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and like our videos. Woo. Alright, y'all. So it finally dropped, as you can see right there. Oh, now all I gotta do is just pull it out. I think it's still a little hot, so I gotta be careful. Ooh, it is hot.
That thing big.
Oh man, this thing is heavy. Compared to this is light. This feel like about 30 pounds. Alright. So yeah, that's how the stock exhaust looks. So now we're about to slip this on. Let's see. Alrighty. Let's see how to do this. Alrighty, y'all. So I'm trying to. I got it on, man. Alright, so guys, let me screw this on, and then once I get it on, I'll get back to you, alright? Alright, y'all, so I finally got it screwed on. Now, put the springs on. Alrighty. This can be hard too. Alright, y'all, once I get done with this, I'm gonna get back to you. Y'all, I finally got it on. Man, it was hard getting those springs back on. Y'all see it? Here we go. Got it up under that good. Yep. Those springs was hard, man. I already hear how it sound. Uh-oh. Now here it goes. Woo! Yes, sir. I like the sound of that, baby. Yes, sir. Yo, it wasn't that bad. Like I said, the hard part is taking the springs off and getting them back on. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to get some ride-bys. I'm gonna be coming by so y'all can hear the exhaust. Reverse it back.
Had everybody looking up.
Yeah.
this thing soft.
Alright, y'all. I don't know how good you can hear with all the wind, but that was just a test. Turn it around. Yeah.
Yeah.